what's up, Facebook? Red Tiger Bulldog community. Just out here, just got in from purchasing some chicken. Wow. Some chicken drumsticks. I get them and separate them, put them in the freezer so I can get them out the amount that I want out. Oh, I just tore them cheap bags. But I use them up fast enough where they ain't gonna get no freezer burn or nothing, because the dogs, they really go through them. But yeah, so I'm just gonna get some of them prepped to go into the freezer. I don't know if this is gonna sit up, but yeah, nah, not really. I ain't trying to look at no chicken, but anyway, I take these and I start the pups off just on these, you know, just rinse them off, put them in the freezer, and I just give them one. You gotta watch them, especially if you got a real greedy pup. I mean, especially with big breeds like red tigers. Some certain red tigers can be bigger. And they'll try to swallow them things, man. So I'll put 3 or 4 in a bag like that. Just put them in the freezer so they don't have to get all frozen and clumped together. So when I need a few, I just grab a few for another bag. Just some cheap bags. But anyway, I got a couple pups that haven't been associated or introduced to chicken yet. So I'm gonna pull them out here just a little bit and let y'all see them with their first reaction or response to raw chicken. Raw chicken is good for these dogs, I'm telling you. They got raw chicken, you know, of course, it's got all that calcium in that raw bone. And dogs can eat the raw bone. They just don't need cooked bones. Cooked bones can splinter and all that stuff. But when you give them these raw bones, it's really good for them, man. It's got enzymes and things in the meat and in the bones that you can't get from cooked food or prepared food that's been cooked and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So I just go ahead, man, and, you know, in order for the dogs to be beefed up, like I'm beefed up, you know, they better shape than me though. But yeah, I go through that, man. Just give them some raw chicken. A lot of protein, a lot of calcium, natural fat in the skin, and it does wonders, man, for the dogs. You can really cut back on your kibble, on your dog food. A lot of people just do straight raw, and I've done it before. I'll do it again if I want to, but at this time, I just give some chicken, man. If I come across some entrails, some liver, some heart, kidneys, different things like that. If I come across it, it's at a good price, I'll grab it, give it to them. And some of my older dogs, man, I'm tearing these bags up. Some of my older dogs don't even like it for whatever reason. I think I only got right now at this time one of my older females, there we go, don't like raw chicken. She'll lick on it, lick on it, lick on it, but she will not eat it. She don't want you to take it, but she won't eat it. I don't know what that's all about. But however, okay, I'm gonna grab these couple pups and get them out and just see how they act. You know, they might lick it and mess with it and don't eat it, or they might just smash it. Hopefully, if they do decide that they like it and they want to eat it, they'll take their time with it, and I'll just watch them, and they'll get a good heavy meal, piece of chicken. Normally, puppies won't eat the bone. The bone's pretty tough for puppies right out the gate, but I throw those to some older dogs or something. But they get what they get, man. And I've had puppies that eat the bones right out the gate. Just some tough little guys and tough little gals. So we'll see what they do. And I just want to let people know, like, it is okay for dogs to eat raw chicken. Dogs are just like wolves, fox, coyotes, jackals, or whatever. And that's all they eat is raw meat. Rabbits, deer, or whatever else they catch. You see what I'm saying? They even get vegetables. People like, man, dogs don't eat vegetables. When foxes and wolves and coyotes and jackals and all those types of things kill rabbits and other small prey animals like that, the first thing they do is eat the entrails, the intestines. And rabbits are what? Vegetarians. So all they're getting in that part of the rabbit is vegetables, but then they're also getting a creature and an animal and meat and protein that was developed strictly from vegetation. Think about it. I'll be right back. All right, got some chicken down here. So I'm going to let this little girl loose. She already done ate. My son already fed her. But it's something different, so she should be, oh, she grabbed it. You stay there. She want to walk away with it. She's very food. You want to try to eat the skin off of it. She's very food aggressive with other puppies. I have to watch her and monitor her, and I've been trying to socialize her in that manner. But watch, you have to take it and put it on the floor. She's eating it though. Act like she done ate it before. And crunching on the bone on the end. Don't get that skin down in your throat. She just eating the skin. I heard her crunch on the bone or something. Yeah, she just ate like maybe a half hour ago or something. So I don't know if she's really hungry, but she don't turn down a meal. I might have should have pulled that skin off of there. You know that the skin is pretty elastic. It can get down their throat before it actually is severed. But I'm sitting right here keeping an eye on it though. So well, looks like it's received by her, nobody else. She's definitely gonna be a dog that takes to the chicken, and she's got a lot of natural genetic muscle tone, and got a thin hide, good amount of definition at this age. So with this chicken in her diet, along with the good quality kibble and other entrails and stuff like that, she gonna grow up. She'll be a dynamite dog, structure wise and energy wise and things like that. And as you see, she's gonna be easy to feed. She's a hardy dog, a hardy puppy. So I ain't gonna just sit here and watch her eat this whole piece of chicken, because she ain't going through it like I thought she might. Some of them really, really go at it pretty tough. I'll watch her a little bit more, make sure she does okay with this skin. And then I'll take this piece here and put her in her kennel and let this other pup out and see what he does. Looks like he's going for the other end. So anyway, it definitely looked like both of no, you stay here. Yeah, trying to cut out with that chicken, man. Both of these pups so far definitely are gonna be chicken eaters. Got a nice dog, man. Thinking about letting somebody get him. 2.5 months old, and man, he's strapped, man. Clean structure, moves gracefully, effortlessly. A nice coat, man. Really nice coat. Here, get back over here. Get back over here. There you go. Really nice coat. Really nice structure. Really nice headpiece. Just everything about him, man. Only thing I can say about this particular puppy is he is he's very, very mature, very, very serious. His whole demeanor. So without expressing outwardly a strong protective prowess, I'm picking up that he's going to be a pretty serious, formidable watchdog, guard dog type of disposition and temperament. Hey, and if you remember, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified when we